Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia on Xbox One. First, ensure you have the game installed on your console. Phasmophobia is a thrilling 4-player psychological horror experience where you and your team investigate haunted locations. Your primary goal is to identify the ghost type by gathering evidence using specialized equipment. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to begin your ghost hunting adventures on your Xbox console. Once you're in a mission, your main objective is to identify the ghost haunting the location. You'll need to find 3 distinct pieces of evidence, such as EMF level 5 readings, responses on the spirit box, or visible ghost orbs. Keep a close eye on your sanity meter, as a lower sanity level makes you more vulnerable to ghost attacks. Remember to use your in-game journal to record your findings and narrow down the ghost type. To successfully identify ghosts, you'll rely on a variety of essential equipment. The EMF reader is crucial for detecting paranormal energy spikes, indicating ghost presence. The spirit box enables you to ask questions and receive responses from specific ghost types. Don't forget your UV light to uncover hidden fingerprints or footprints. Additionally, the thermometer is vital for finding freezing temperatures, which is a strong indicator for certain entities. Mastering these tools is key to your success. Teamwork is paramount in Phasmophobia. Communicate constantly with your fellow ghost hunters. During a ghost hunt, always have a safe hiding spot or an escape route in mind to avoid being caught. Smudge sticks are incredibly useful for temporarily repelling an aggressive ghost, giving you precious seconds to escape. Remember to complete the optional objectives listed in your journal, as these provide valuable experience and money to upgrade your equipment for future investigations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.